Hey YouTube, and welcome to another episode of The Fast Ratio. Today we're going to look at cleaning your helmet and your visor. What to use, what I use, how I find it, is it effective? So yeah, let's get into it. So I purchased these from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. They say that they're an anti-fog glass wipe. I tried them on my glasses, I've tried them on everything, and they still fog up. So, but for convenience, they travel light. They're inexpensive, really. You can chuck them in your pocket, in your tank bag. They're pretty small, and they're great to carry on you, especially if you go to remote areas that don't have other cleaning sources available. And if you're right in more regional areas of Australia, you're going to get bugs and splatter all over your helmet on the trip. So it's smart to have something to clean it off when you get there. So take one out, and then it's just a matter of working a circular motion and work your way around the whole visor. Because these have an alcohol base, they pretty much evaporate dry, leaving zero residual. So I use these firstly on the visor, and then I work my way onto the rest of the helmet. As you can see, last sweep, and that's pretty much got it clean. And then I just get any of the big bugs, guts, what have you, that have happened to get caught up. Doesn't take long, and it will keep your helmet looking nice. I don't actually think there's much more other than just it looking nice and not being bug splattered. Obviously your visor is going to be visibility. You can use these on the inside. As I mentioned, I don't actually think there's a anti-fog capability within this particular one that I've done. I've tried a number of different things and can't find any solution to particularly fogging. Even my pin lock doesn't guarantee to be fog free. However, it's not necessarily the purpose with what I ended up with these. With these, it was to have something that I could take with me on the road and quickly clean up my lens and stuff in the event that I needed to. I was out in a remote area and I just wanted to get my lens clean so I could see the rest of the trip. I generally will also get it back up again and make sure that I get all of those these bits that also sit in the rubbers, because sometimes they get dirty too. Caring for your kit is very important. Make sure that everything works at its optimum, and also good to check that your sun visor is also cleaned, because sometimes you'll get a bug. Nothing worse than getting going on your ride and then realising that you didn't actually clean it all. So yeah, that's pretty much cleaning the visor. If there's any questions, put them in the comments. Happy to answer anything you've got. With these as well, because I've got the camera, I'll often just make sure that the camera is also clean. Nothing worse than again recording footage, which then is just null and void. Because it's alcohol based, it pretty much gives you a smear free finish. So that's cleaning your visor, all good to go and ready for the next ride. Generally I'll clean it after my ride, whilst I'm still on the high from how fantastic the ride was, rather than leaving it until the next trip when I'm wanting to hit the road. Now I've got to clean my visor before I can go. I'd rather have it all prepped and ready to go so I can just jump on the bike and head off. So thanks for watching. That's cleaning your visor. If you like the video, hit like. If you want to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get updated when I release a new video. Until the next one, catch you then. Bye for now.